In this video, we'll show you how to permanently delete your Amazon account from your Android or iPhone. So for this, first open the Amazon app and then log into your account if you haven't already. Now go to this U tab at the bottom. This will take you to this particular page. Here you will need to scroll down and then tap on this see all option next to your account. Now here you will see a bunch of options. Scroll all the way down and then go to manage your data section. Here you will see this close your account option. Simply tap on it. Now here it will explain what will be deleted. So this is a permanent action and you can't really undo it. So make sure you are absolutely certain about deleting your account. So make sure to read all of this and then scroll all the way down and then select your reason using this drop down menu. You can select any other reason from here. So I'll just select this one and then tick this particular checkbox and then finally click on close my account. Once you do this, you should receive a confirmation email on your phone or via text message. Once you confirm that, your Amazon account will be deleted permanently. Of course, if you want, you can recreate your Amazon account using the same email ID, but that won't bring back any of the data. So make sure to keep that in mind. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Cool.